Watching this lumberjack work with such precision and control as he slices through a massive 2.7-meter sequoia log is truly impressive. His skill with the chainsaw is top-notch. Every cut is smooth and calculated, showing a deep understanding of both the machine and the wood. Handling a log of that size requires not only strength but also finesse, and he's clearly mastered both. The chainsaw he's using is no ordinary tool. It's a modern, high-performance machine built for serious work. The power behind it, combined with his expert technique, makes the job look almost effortless. You can tell he's experienced. He knows exactly how to maneuver the saw, keep the cuts straight, and maintain control, even with such a massive piece of timber. The size of that sequoia log alone is a challenge, but he's handling it like a pro, turning what could be a daunting task into a well-executed process. Watching him in action is like seeing artistry in motion. This is what it looks like when modern technology meets old-school craftsmanship. Is a fascinating machine in action. The way it operates is nothing short of impressive, especially when you watch how it handles tough materials with absolute precision. Its design is clearly built for efficiency, effortlessly chopping the materials with its robust blades and high-powered motor. You can see that every component of the machine is optimized for smooth and consistent performance. There's no lag, no stalling, just continuous clean cutting. What really stands out is the speed and control. It's designed to handle a variety of material densities. The Denis is a real workhorse in the world of forestry and mulching. Watching it operate is like seeing raw power meet fine-tuned precision. Its heavy-duty rotor with ultra-sharp teeth absolutely devours vegetation, effortlessly turning thick brush, trees, and debris into finely mulched material in seconds. You can immediately see that this machine was engineered for high performance and efficiency in land clearing tasks. What's most impressive is how smoothly it operates. The DAH080C maintains consistent cutting power, whether it's tackling small brush or larger, denser trees. There's no struggle, just steady, reliable mulching. Its hydraulic system and rotor design work perfectly together, allowing the machine to process material without losing momentum, even in the toughest environments. The 450 horsepower John Deere Shinn machine is an absolute beast when it comes to forestry mulching. With its 450 horsepower, this machine can handle anything you throw at it. Trees of all sizes, thick underbrush, or even stubborn stumps. Whether the trees are still standing tall or have already fallen, this mulcher grinds them down effortlessly, transforming dense vegetation into mulch in no time. What really stands out is how versatile and powerful it is. The machine doesn't just shred the material, it leaves the mulch semi-level, creating a cleaner and more manageable area after clearing. Its robust design and engineering allow it to cut through massive trees and thick brush with ease, making it perfect for large-scale land clearing projects. Look at this guy. With that Stihl 090 chainsaw in hand, he's absolutely dominating that big birch tree. This beast of a saw is known for its raw power, and watching him make those cuts, so smooth yet precise, is a thing of beauty. The way he handles the saw, it's like the birch doesn't stand a chance. Each cut is effortless, but you can feel the control he's got over the tool. There's no hesitation, just clean, steady strokes that slice through the wood like butter. The Stihl 090 with its massive power makes what could be a daunting task look almost too easy, and his technique shows he's a pro. It's not just about raw strength here. It's about skillfully using a legendary piece of machinery to conquer one of nature's giants. Talk about craftsmanship. The Shinn Systems. Power Pack-enabled mulching cutter is an absolute marvel in land clearing and mulching. Watching it in action, you can immediately see how this machine takes efficiency to a whole new level. The Power Pack feature really sets it apart, delivering massive amounts of hydraulic power directly to the cutting head, making even the toughest trees and underbrush seem like no challenge at all. What stands out is the raw, unrelenting power combined with precision. It's not just mulching for the sake of mulching. It's controlled, efficient, and thorough. The cutter chews through dense vegetation and trees with ease, reducing them to fine mulch in no time, and it keeps the pace without missing a beat. This isn't a machine that slows down or struggles when the going gets tough. It powers through effortlessly. The PrimeTech PT-600 tracked carrier is an absolute powerhouse, purpose-built for the most demanding forestry and land clearing tasks. With a whopping 600 horsepower, this machine is designed to take on the heaviest workloads and handle extreme conditions, from dense forests to rugged, uneven terrain. Its massive power and high-efficiency design allow it to tackle anything from large trees to dense vegetation, effortlessly turning them into mulch or clearing land for new developments. One of the standout features of the PT-600 is its stability and traction, thanks to its tracked design. It moves with remarkable ease over rough ground, steep slopes, and even in wet or muddy conditions. The carrier's robust construction means it can withstand the toughest environments while maintaining smooth operation. The mulching head on the PT-600 is engineered for precision, capable of grinding down trees and stumps to mulch quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for large-scale clearing operations, fire break creation, and land reclamation. Despite its size and power, the machine offers excellent control, giving the operator full command over its movements and cutting. Forestry mulcher is a powerhouse when it comes to land clearing and heavy-duty mulching. This machine is built for intense forestry work, and its sheer power is evident the moment it starts tearing through dense trees, underbrush, and stubborn stumps. With its rugged build and advanced technology, the T360 is designed to handle the toughest terrains and the most challenging jobs without breaking a sweat. What really stands out is how effortlessly it grinds down everything in its path. Whether it's standing trees or thick brush, the T360 makes quick work of it all, leaving behind finely mulched material. The mulching head is engineered for maximum efficiency, ensuring that each pass clears a wide swath of land, saving time and labor. The PTH-900G Pezzolato is an absolute workhorse when it comes to wood chipping. This machine is designed to handle large logs and thick branches with ease, making it ideal for both forestry operations and large-scale wood processing. Watching it in action, you immediately see how efficiently it processes wood, turning even the toughest material into finely chipped output in no time. What really sets the PTH-900G apart is its heavy-duty construction and powerful engine. It's built to handle high volumes of material, and it does so without hesitation. The feed system is smooth, pulling in large logs and branches effortlessly, while the high-capacity drum ensures consistent chipping, even with hardwoods.